Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to change Bitmoji gender on Snapchat. So if you also want to change Bitmoji gender on Snapchat, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Snapchat application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Snapchat has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. So in order to change the Bitmoji gender, you'll have to reset the Bitmoji. For that, all you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right now, my Bitmoji gender is female. So in order to change the gender, all you have to do is tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the settings interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find several settings options. What you have to do is find the option for Bitmoji. You can see the option for Bitmoji over here. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to see your Bitmoji. You can see several options over here. You'll be able to find the option for change my outfit, edit my Bitmoji, choose a selfie. Also at bottom, you'll be able to find the option for unlink my Bitmoji. Simply tap on it. Now you can see over here, this kind of pop-up will appear. If you created your avatar on Snapchat, you will permanently lose your avatar. You'll also lose all the fashion items. Simply tap on the remove option that you can see right over here. Now wait for a while. Now your Bitmoji will be removed. You'll be led to this kind of interface. Now what you have to do is create your avatar from scratch. Simply tap on the option create my avatar. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Initially, my Bitmoji gender was female. If I want to change the gender to male, I'll tap on the male Bitmoji. Simply tap on the Bitmoji that you want to change to. Now you'll be able to select the skin tone, hairstyle, hair color, eyes, etc. You'll also be able to choose the fashion items. After you choose all of them, simply tap on the save option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here your Bitmoji gender will be changed. So that is how you change Bitmoji gender on Snapchat. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.